Have you ever closed an app on your phone and felt worse than when you opened it? A little less motivated, a little less happy with your own life. There's a silent thief that operates through these screens. It doesn't steal your money or your possessions. It steals something far more valuable: your joy, your motivation, and your clarity. The author of our source text calls this thief comparison. It's a trap we all fall into. We measure our messy, complicated, behind-the-scenes reality against someone else's perfectly polished highlight reel. The problem isn't just that it makes us feel bad. It's that it actively sabotages our most critical internal guidance system, our inner coach. Think of your inner coach as your personal strategist. It needs accurate data to set proper benchmarks and guide you. It needs to know your true starting point, your unique resources, and your authentic definition of success. But comparison corrupts this data. It feeds your inner coach false benchmarks based on incomplete, curated information. It's like giving a GPS the wrong starting address and expecting it to get you to your destination. It simply can't function. In this video, we're going to dissect this comparison trap and give you a concrete 5-step strategy to break free and recalibrate your inner coach for genuine progress. The cycle is predictable and destructive. First, you scroll and consume the highlight reels. You see the polished outcomes, the final victories. Second, you instinctively compare them to your own work in progress, your behind-the-scenes struggles. Third, the feeling of inadequacy creeps in. Why am I not there yet? Am I falling behind? And finally, this feeling curdles into despair. Your motivation plummets, and you begin to doubt your entire journey. This isn't just a bad mood, it's a functional paralysis that stops you from taking the very next step. Alright, let's build our escape plan. The first action is awareness. Recognize the highlight reel effect. What you see on social media is the outcome, not the process. For every overnight success, there are years of invisible, unglamorous work. That photo of a signed book deal doesn't show the hundreds of rejection letters. That marathon finish line picture doesn't show the 5 a.m. training runs in the rain. You're comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Second, you must reclaim your definition of success. Create personal metrics. Stop using others' results as your yardstick. Define success on your own terms with concrete indicators that matter to you. Are you trying to write 500 words a day? Did you make one more sales call than yesterday? Did you finally understand a complex concept you've been struggling with? The only person you should be competing with is who you were yesterday. That's a game you can actually win. Third, become a ruthless curator of your information diet. If a certain account consistently makes you feel inadequate, that is a trigger. Mute it. Unfollow it. You are in complete control of your feed. Actively seek out and follow people who show the authentic journey, the struggles, the process, the learning. Replace the glossy results with real, actionable stories. Your mental environment is just as important as your physical one. Fourth, become the historian of your own growth. Document your wins. Keep a progress journal, a done list, or even just a folder of screenshots. Record your small victories, the problems you solved, the positive feedback you received. This isn't about ego, it's about data. When the thief of comparison tries to tell you you're not making progress, you can open your journal and present hard evidence to the contrary. This is the accurate data your inner coach needs. Finally, step 5 is a powerful mindset shift. When you catch yourself comparing, don't just shut it down, transform it. Turn comparison into learning. Instead of feeling envy, ask a strategic question. What specific skill can I learn from this person? What part of their system could I adapt for my own goals? This reframes the other person from a rival into a potential indirect mentor. It converts toxic, unproductive comparison into a catalyst for your own strategic growth. But there's one more thing, and it might be the most powerful antidote of all: connection. Comparison is toxic because it compares incomparable things. Everyone has a different starting point, different resources, different hidden challenges. It thrives in isolation, making you feel like you're the only one struggling behind the scenes. The cure is to break that isolation. Share your real struggles with a trusted friend or mentor. Listen when they share theirs. This is what social media promises, but rarely delivers. True connection. It normalizes the messy reality and reminds you that the highlight reel is a fiction. So, let's fire the thief. Your inner coach is ready to guide you, but it thrives on accurate information about where you are and where you want to go, not where someone else is. Recognize the highlight reel. Create your own metrics, curate your feed, document your wins, and turn comparison into learning. And most importantly, connect. Break the cycle and create space for guidance that is truly yours. Your journey is incomparable. Now, I want you to take the first step. In the comments below, share one small win you've documented this week. Let's fill the comments with real progress, not highlight reels. Let's break the isolation together. Thank you for watching, and if this resonated, subscribe for more strategies to build a life on your own terms. Now go feed your inner coach some good data.